Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Hello friends, how are you? I am Chirag Daruwala and today we are going to talk about the daily horoscope for 12th April 2023. First of all, we start with the zodiac sign Aries. Ganesha says, finding physical fulfillment and ultimate contentment will be your top priorities. You will be able to communicate your ideas properly. You will be very active at your workplace. You will also enjoy feeling special in the eyes of your partner. Yes, you will be able to communicate your ideas appealingly. In short, it will be a good day. Now we come with the zodiac sign Taurus. Ganesha says the compliments you will receive will most likely boost your morale. As a result, your work will improve. If you are wishing to start a new career, today is not the day to do it. You might charm your date at the rendezvous. You will put on your thinking cap and make some groundbreaking decisions that will benefit your finances. Gemini. Ganesha says, today you will bring out the artist in you as well as your capability for imagination. Excessive work related stress or travel may cause you to become exhausted. There may be some disagreements on a critical issue concerning the partnership. While putting the finishing touches on anything, you may need to get busy making vacation arrangements or making long distance calls to co-workers who work in foreign offices. Cancer. Ganesha says your passionate and private moments with your partner will bring you closer to the wedding bells. Today, you need to remain calm. If you are taking any decision, don't get too excited. My suggestion would be to remain calm and think about the work and what you can do and what you can achieve. To get success in business, you must be committed, persistent and dedicated. Leo. Ganesha says you will remain a busybody person. Yes, preoccupied with a variety of responsibilities in your personal and professional life. Be wary of certain green-eyed monsters who may attempt to harm your reputation. You will be so exhausted and irritated that you may not be able to be completely honest with your loved ones. Health-wise, there is nothing to worry about. Now we come with Virgo. Ganesha says, review and update your daily schedule. Maintain a positive attitude, avoid stress and take it all in. You will be desperate for some downtime, but you will struggle to find even a minute to unwind from your hectic schedule. Either you are not moving quickly enough or you are having putting the best projects into action. You need to take care of your stomach. Libra. Ganesha says your heart will take precedence over your mind. You will take actions that you have always wanted to take but have been unable to do so for various reasons. Your lucky color will be purple. You might be willing to try something new with your significant other. Your supervisor will expect you to manage multiple jobs. Now we come with Scorpio. Ganesha says, with your deadly presentation skills, you will unleash an assault on your unwitting prey. You are more likely to make careless decisions and deviate from your intended path. You are jealous and enthusiastic, but my suggestion would be not to think too much. Now we come with Sagittarius. Ganesha says you will feel amazing and incredibly fit on this wonderful day of today. The stars are not aligned in your favor in terms of income. Don't take any kind of decision in a hurry. You will be in a good mood today. Some issues you may face in regard to your workplace, but my suggestion would be to avoid it. Now we come with Capricorn. Ganesha says, instead of worrying about your long-term financial situation, you will be preoccupied with enjoying the temporary pleasures that money can buy. Stressing out and tensing up yourself may be harmful for your health. Spending time on important things will be detrimental to your career and may prevent you from progressing. Now we come with Aquarius. Ganesha says your positive attitude will help you to manage several tasks. Today, multitasking may not be a worthwhile experience. You would like to spend as much time as possible with your beloved today. If you are traveling, then my suggestion would be to take proper care while driving the car. Now we come with the last zodiac sign, Pisces. Ganesha says you are resourceful and you will use it today to your advantage. But you are ambitious, but don't take on more than you can handle. Engaging in meaningful conversation usually elevates relationships to a deeper and more important level. To avoid problems, you should control your anger and ego. Overall, it will be a good day. I am sure you will enjoy the day. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.